Welcome to TechLipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser, and after open the browser just search for Blender and then go to first link, and here you can see Blender 4.4, which is the latest version of Blender. Then just click on download, and here you can see Windows installer and the version is 4.4.3. Then just click on download Blender and you can see that will start downloading, so just give it a moment and the download is complete. Now just click here and then close the window, then click on next, then click on next again and then click on install, then click on yes, and you can see that will start installing, so just give it a moment again and the installation process is done. Then just click on finish and then close the window, then go to start option, then click on all apps, and that's it. You can see the Blender has been installed successfully. Now just click here to open it and it's done. Now Blender is ready for use. And that is how you can download and install Blender in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.